Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice level for your party members or even your own microphone on your PlayStation 5. So I'm going to press the PlayStation button and go to the control panel and then go on over to Game Base and then go to my party. So I'm in a party right here. And one of the unique things about the PlayStation 5 is you can go to one of your friends or players in the party and you can select their name. And then you have this little volume option right here where you can increase or decrease the sound of their voice. Also, you have the option to completely mute their voice right here. Now on the PlayStation 5, you can see if someone is muted, they will have a microphone symbol next to your name. When they're talking, it will show up as blue. Now another thing that you can do is to go up to where it says options right here and select this, and you will have an audio balance slider. Move it to the left, you'll hear the game sound a little bit more. Move it to the right, you'll hear your party audio a little bit more. So you have two options to fine tune and adjust your microphone and their microphone. Now we can also go to the voice chat settings right here, and then we can go to our microphone level. So let's select this, and we can adjust our microphone in here. So make sure it's in the good section so your friends can actually hear you. If it's too low, you might not hear anything, and if it's too high, you might pick up too much background noise. So if you have like a fan or a furnace in the background, bring the slider down to the too low section or where it's just about too low, and you shouldn't be able to hear anything in the background then. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.